In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to harness the power of Framer to create an engaging landing page for your dropshipping business. If you're in the fashion industry or simply looking to boost your brand's online presence, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the process with ease. First things first, let's navigate over to framer.com. This is where the magic happens. Framer is a fantastic platform renowned for its simplicity and efficiency, making web design accessible for everyone. Once you land on the homepage, you'll notice a prominent button labeled Start with AI. This is your starting point. By using AI, Framer simplifies the process of crafting a landing page, tailoring the design according to your needs. Next, you'll see a search bar displayed on your screen. Here is where you'll enter your creative directive or prompt. For our example, let's input something like, create a landing page for my dropshipping business. It sells fashion clothes. This input will give Framer an understanding of what you're aiming to achieve, setting the foundation for your future design. Now, after you've carefully keyed in your prompt, you'll see an arrow or submit button. Click that arrow and your journey begins. An engaging aspect of Framer is how its AI kicks in at this point, processing your request and formulating the design. Remember, while the AI does its work, it's important to exercise a bit of patience. This process might take a moment, as Framer's AI intricately connects your vision with practical web design elements. As soon as the AI finishes loading your design, you'll notice an interface brimming with possibilities. On the left side of your screen, there's a multitude of editing options. This panel is your toolkit, allowing you to fine-tune and customize your landing page even further. Here, you can add more details or refine your prompt to better align the design with specific branding or business goals. This step is crucial if you have specific elements in mind, like a particular color scheme or branding message. And that's it. With Framer, you've effectively set up a dynamic landing page tailored for your fashion dropshipping business. By starting with AI and utilizing the intuitive interface, you've not only saved time, but also ensured your website has professional appeal. This setup not only aims to attract visitors with its visual charm, but encourages them to explore and hopefully make a purchase. I hope this guide has demystified the process, showcasing just how accessible web design can be with the right tools at your disposal. As always, feel free to experiment and explore all that Framer has to offer and transform your digital landscape. Thanks for watching and happy designing.